Hey everyone, this is Kiana and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below my channel and for more videos. So I'm going to be doing a review on these new gel nail tips that I got from Amazon. So these are the short almond nails. Now for a long time since I've been doing press on nails, it's been very hard for me to find short almond nails. Usually I always find the medium almond nails, which I love for myself, but I know for some people they might like them a lot more shorter. So for these nails right here, what's so interesting about these is that they are a little bit matte on the inside of the nail, which kind of acts as like a Velcro effect. So what's cool about this is instead of buffing on the inside of the nails, which help the nails adhere to the natural nails a lot longer, this is already done for you. So when you glue them on, that matte on the inside of the nails gonna help grab onto the glue a lot better. So these nails will essentially last you a lot longer compared to my regular nail tips, which I have here, which is the medium almond. You can see it's just all shiny. So because they're all shiny, they might not last as long compared to the Velcro ones, even though I managed to make them last a long time still. You know, it just all depends on how you prep your nails. But right now I'm just comparing the size of the nails from my old pack and from this pack here. So instantly I noticed the shorter nails, which is pretty common, they tend to run a little bit wider. So I had to downsize at least a couple of sizes for that one, because the almond nails that I have from that pack there, the medium ones, the biggest size run at 0 and it runs pretty small. So what I did is that I took I think that's a size 2 or a 1 or something like that. But I'm just comparing the nails to my thumb to see which new size that I have to use for that. So I think I end up using size number 2 for that one. Alright, so after sizing all the nails, I'm not going to go in and just file them a little bit. And they were a little bit on the pointy side, almost close to a stiletto. So I just took my hand file and just filed the tips of the nails to round them off a little bit. And also with short nails, they tend to run a little bit more on the square side. So where the bottom part of the nail meets the cuticle. My cuticles are a little bit more on the round side, so I went ahead and took off the corners with the nail file just to round them up a bit and to make them fit properly. After filing the nails, I'm just going to quickly buff them out a little bit by getting rid of the shine and making the surface a lot more rough so the acrylic can hold on a little bit better, especially with these being short. I want to make sure I'm not having the acrylic run all over the place. So I'm just going to quickly get rid of that shine, and then I'm just going to pretty much do like a really simple design. Since Valentine's Day is coming up and I know everybody get ready for Valentine's, which is around the corner, I decided to do like a cute little pink set. So I'm using some pink acrylic that I made, and I'm also going to be using some milky white acrylic for the ombre. I also got some glitter here. This is like a iridescent type of glitter that I made, and it was really easy. It was just clear acrylic and some iridescent glitter mixed together. So I'm going to be using that on the thumb part of the nails as well, just to add a little something to it. Alright, so after the whole acrylic application, now I'm just filing the nails into shape, get rid of any excess acrylic that's on the nails. And because the nails are super small, it's really easy to build a lot of acrylic on the nails. So I did have to follow them for a minute, only because of how much acrylic was on the nails. But I was able to basically thin them out as good as I can without them looking too bulky. Alright, so after buffing the nails out, I went ahead and cleaned them up with some rubbing alcohol. And now we're going to go in with some bling. I decided to put some bling in the middle of the nails with these kind of like pearlescent type of rhinestones that I got. They're almost like water drop rhinestones pretty much. But I just went ahead and took the pink ones and just slapped them right on the middle nail. I put like a huge one in the middle, and then I filled it up with some smaller ones and just kind of created that swoop effect for the middle nail, just to add a little, again, extra something to the short sets, because you know, short sets, they can be just as cute as long sets. So you know, I had to add a little extra to it, and I think that really just made the set pop. Alright, so after top coating everything with the iGel Beauty non-wipe gel top coat, for 60 seconds. I cured everything under the lamp. This is how the set came out, and it came out very cute, very simple but classic, and perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you are interested in purchasing this set, it is going to be available for sale on my Etsy site. The link will be down below in my bio under this video. But yeah, so this is how the set came out after putting it on the rack, and then this is how the set looked like after I put them on. Now they are a little bit shorter than my liking, so for me, I like more of like a longer length, but these are perfect for anybody who don't like extra long nails. Now do keep in mind, this is an acrylic set, okay, which means they're not going to be the usual price like your regular store-bought press-on. So don't come at me talking about, oh, they're too expensive, why they cost that much. Hey, you would be paying double if you would have got them done as an actual acrylic set. So this is actually pretty affordable if you think about it, if you want a real acrylic set without having to be at the shop and all that stuff. So it's for the convenience, okay? But yeah, so this is going to be available on my Etsy site, and if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like it. Now keep in mind, you can also get this set in different shapes and length as well, so it doesn't have to be exactly this one, but this is going to be the new length that's going to be available on my site. So I love y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media sites, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.